Hi, yeah, it's Adam here. What I'm going to be doing in this video, I've been recently really pushing for a lot of my clients a platform, digital marketing platform called Builderall. I'm trying to get as many people onto this as possible because it is absolutely fantastic, and it's made a massive difference to my business, and I know that any small company, because it's so affordable, it's only $29 per month, so it's about £22. Any company that jumps on board with this, starts to use it, will see massive returns from it. It gives you everything you need. It's got an autoresponder built into it, Facebook chatbots built into it. You can create like PowerPoint presentations like you see on YouTube with the animated videos. You can create all that in there. You can do automatic Facebook posting to your pages. It just blows me away how good this product is, and if you're not using it and you're not getting on it, you're definitely missing out. The other thing, if you use any sort of digital marketing, the chances are you're either using ClickFunnels or Kartra or any of the other ones. Their basic package starts at $97 per month. Builderall does all of that and more at a fraction of the cost. So what I'm going to do, we're going to slip across, I'll take you onto the laptop, and I'm just going to have a run through all the services that you can get on there to try and push how important it is to get this across. Okay, I'll see you on the laptop. Okay, what we're going to do now, I'm going to take you through what you can do with Builderall. Like I said, it's an absolutely amazing package, and for what it costs, it's just ridiculous, and I think it will massively go up. ClickFunnels, which is a similar sort of builder, the smallest package they do is $97 per month, and it doesn't have half the stuff that this does. So if you want to go and visit it, there's the link up the top there, builderall.com. Okay, I'll just log into my account and show you what's in here. Okay, this will be a very, very sort of quick run through, just for simply the fact that there is that much in here. Okay, when it decides to line up. Okay, so when you come in and see, I've got bits and pieces in here already. You got, first of all, you got this website builders. Okay, drag and drop your sites, create a new website, sales funnels, everything there. So let's have a look. Go into new websites, and it's all drag and drop, so it's dead easy to do. Okay, coming out, it's got masses of different businesses. So let's go for, we'll go for just a local business, see what pops up. Okay, so there we go. HVAC, which is heating and air conditioning. All of this is just ready here. This barber shops. There's all sorts of giveaways, weight loss consultations. These are just a couple, and this will just keep loading and loading. See there, you've got pet shop if you wanted to go and have a look. Now I don't want to translate it. Oh no, it's going to. There you go. Okay, so all you need to do, come in. Everything's drag and drop, so you just pick images up, move text about. There you go, puppies for sale, nice, coming up to Christmas. And you've got everything is in here. Absolutely top quality. And you literally just open it up. When you decide to edit, it'll open up those pages, and you can just start working on your website and putting all your content in. And like I said, this is just bits and pieces. Basically, you've got blogs, mini sites, there's everything here. Okay, you also have access to sales funnels. So if you have a business where you deal with clients, you use any of these, to capture their email address. So they come in, here's squeeze page funnel. The person comes along, sees your advert on Facebook, they see your advert, boom, they get taken to a squeeze page before they come to your actual website and domain. What this allows you to do is capture their email address, normally in exchange for I don't know, either a PDF or a course or a video or something like that, because then you can continue to market to them. A majority of people will only buy something after a minimum of 7 exposures to you. So if you go from a Facebook ad straight into a thank you page and they don't buy straight away, you've lost that client. If they come in here, you capture their email address, you can continue to tell them about your services and hopefully turn them into a sale later on. Okay, so that gives you an idea, just a couple of the builders that are there. You've also got an app creator. I haven't actually played with this yet, but I will do it at some point. So you can create apps for either Android or for iOS, so Apple phones. And again, it's all drag and drop. You just come in, create a new application, put in your ideas, and it will give you templates that you can mess around with and just build your own apps and stuff like that. Okay, which I will have a go at some point. You also have this complete email autoresponder system, which works with the website builders. So you can come in here, access here, and you can send out automated emails to your clients, or you can send out a broadcast message. So once a week you can send out your newsletter, remind them of who you are, where your services are, what's going on, and everything about your business. And that is one of the email lists are the most powerful secret to internet marketing. If you can build up a good strong list, you'll have a fantastic business. If you come down to here, we go into the design. We've got a design studio. So you click into the design studio, and this gives you loads of mock-ups and templates. Now I actually belong to something called Dropmock, which costs me $97 a month, that does this. Is I can come in, I can put images in, backgrounds, create like these billboards up here, and I pay a lot of money for those sort of facilities. These are just the new popular ones. There's absolutely tons there. So you can put your business on there, green screen on the background, so you can put whatever image you want in the back. Sign up for my app, this is my business. Everything you can imagine can go on here. There. Boxes, so you can create a milk box and carton with your advert on the front if you want. Book covers with live backgrounds. It's just mind blowing. Like I said, I pay $97 for this in another app, so I will be canning that app because I've got it all here now. You've then got this presentation builder. What this does is allows you to build fantastic. You can see them now. I'm not going to go through it because it will take too much, but this is like PowerPoint, so you can build, except it comes with all these funky images and everything in there, and you just get started and design presentations that you can use for anything. You have a photo studio. So again, I'm going to do every single one of these in detail with a video. Okay, folders, 3D rotations, images. You can come in here, you can resize your image, you can basically enhance them. What this is like Adobe Photoshop, which I have down here, which I paid a lot of money for. It's now inbuilt into this system, so you can just go in, upload images, and start tweaking and changing them about. Okay, down here, come to the video section. We can create animated videos. I'll quickly log into it because that's just a setting on my Google Chrome stuff up there. You can come into this, my project, we're going to create a new project. Create that. open it, and you can come through. Once this loads up, just find yourself a template that you want to do it with. Let's go for that one. See what happens. Okay, it's going to preload all my slides. Animated character. I'll just move through. These can be turned into videos or whatever. And again, when you come into this, stop it. It's just drag and drop. Go into it, retype it, rewrite what you want, and create your own animated explainer videos. You look here, you've got all your characters. I'm sure you've seen these on YouTube, where you just drag and drop in there, hopefully. Oh, there you go. Move it to where you want it to do, and get it to do whatever talking. This is absolutely tons and tons of stuff here. And literally, it's all just drag and drop friendly. Turn that into a thumbs up. Don't never want a thumbs down. And that's how easy it is. Save it, time it, and you've got a video. Again, you go online to some of the other businesses, these are going to cost you a couple £100 just to get these built for you. Okay, we come to, got floating videos, which puts the videos up on the screen, so they just appear on your website. So they just pop out and they're just there, right in front of your website. Let's see if it'll do it. Yeah. And what will happen is they'll land on your website, and once they're on there, pop, it'll open up like a pop-up, and you'll have a video talking or selling whatever your products are. Okay, again, these cost a fortune to get these made. Come down here to the apps. You can have browser notifications, so you can set up on your website when somebody comes and visits your website, create a campaign, they land on it, they accept it, and then whenever you send out a message, boom, it'll pop up on their computer saying, hi, we'd really like to tell you more about our products, or this, that and the other. And that goes straight to their computer where they're sitting looking at it. We have SEO report tool, which will go through, tell you what's on there. You've got click maps, chat review, auto post. I'll cover these ones. This is, you can attach any of your, let's see, these are all posts I've got scheduled to go out already. Okay, so you come in, just tell it what message you want, and it's all automatic. Unlimited, so you can have 5 or 6 different messages about different things going out every single day. You've got your Facebook chatbot. Again, you go in, find the post that you want to talk about. Okay, attach it to your page. When they click on there, they comment on Facebook down in the bottom, and this will start to send them messages. Let's see if I can open this up. Yeah, post engagement 43, shares, comments, people liking the page. It's gone out, and what happens? Somebody comes in, puts a marker in the bottom, and that will send it straight back saying, hi, this is where you can find out more information, or this is how you can contact us. Absolutely loads of here, different stuff you can put on, scheduling, workflows, all sorts. Okay, you've got a share locker, which is like a Dropbox. You've got training here. If you want to write copywriting, you can come into a script generator, and it will create copy for you, which is just incredible. Things here for creating social proof. I've not actually played with that yet because there's just that much and I have no idea what roulette is, so I need to have a look at that. Then you come down here, you've also got a webinar capability. So if you're into marketing or businesses where a webinar would benefit you, you can come in and create your own webinars and run them via Builderall. Again, webinar software, you're looking between $100 to $300 per month just to have webinar software. We've also got hundreds and hundreds of tutorials and training in here, which will cover everything you need to do and learn about it. So there really is. You also get training on how to market yourself, how to talk to people. You get Facebook advertising. You've got Builderall Business, so if you want to promote this to other people, you can create like funnels that you can send out and get other people promoting this for you. And the beauty of it is it's such a great product that it will sell itself. Okay, so that's just a very brief and fast run through of what you get in here. For me and for a majority of businesses, the most fantastic bit and the most beneficial would be the sales funnel builders for capturing email leads, the Autoresponder for converting those email leads, then down to here, videos for advertising on Facebook or on YouTube, and then into the apps for the Facebook chatbot. And what was the other one now? And the auto poster for Facebook. Those bits and pieces are worth their weight in gold, and if you use these properly, they will change your business for you. Okay, I hope that's been helpful. I know it was quick, and like I said, keep an eye on my YouTube channel. Come along and subscribe to it, because each part of this I will be going through and creating an individual video on each part of Builderall. Okay, thank you very much.